Welcome friends to my YouTube channel Jyotish Sanjeevani. Nowadays I am talking about lifeline. In last video I talk about the sign like triangle, cross and its result. Now today I am talking about lines meeting to the lifeline from various mounts like Jupiter mount, Sun mount, Saturn mount, Mercury mount and Venus mount, and as well as from Moon mount. So what is the result of that lines we will describe today. So please see one by one. If a line from Jupiter mount meets to lifeline or a branch of lifeline go towards the Jupiter mount, so what are the result? This type of person will be ambitious and he will gain name, fame and money, and he will be a spiritual person and he will trust on God, and he will gain some reward in his life, and he can be a spiritual master, spiritual guru in his life. So it's a good line from Jupiter mount to lifeline, or line from lifeline towards Jupiter mount. It is a good line. Number second, if a line from Saturn mount coming towards lifeline, or a line from lifeline going towards Saturn mount, this is also a good line. And this type of line having a person in a palm will be rich, much rich, and he will gain money from various sources. So this is also a good line. Next is line coming from Sun mount and meeting to the lifeline, or line from lifeline and going towards Sun mount. This is also a good line, and this type of person will be in government job and he will gain name, fame in his life, money also. He will gain name, fame and money, and he will be in government job or in a good job because this line will be considered as a service line, and this is coming up to lifeline. So this type of person will achieve success with his own efforts. So this is very nice line. Next is a line from lifeline and going towards Mercury mount, or a line from Mercury mount and meeting at lifeline. Both result are same. This type of person will be in good in communication skill, and he will be a researcher in research nature, and he can be a scientist or researcher in his life. If this type of person is in business, so he will high rise in his business. So this is good line. Its results are good. Next, if a branch of lifeline meets on the Mercury Mars mount, Mars 1 area or Mars 2 area, so this type of person will be in military. He can be a officer in military force defense, or he can be a good player. So this is also good. A line going up to from lifeline to Rahu area, this is also a good line. This type of person will gain unearned money. They will gain the money from their parents or from any other sources like gambling or this type of any other job. So this is unearned money yoga. If a line towards Rahu area or from Rahu, one Rahu mount line coming and meets at the lifeline, so this is good line. Next is a horizontal line coming from Venus mount and it cuts the lifeline. So this is not a good line. This type of person will be get loss in his business, or will have some injury, illness, diseases. So this line is not a good. This type of person will be suffered from opposite sex. If a female, it will be punished or distressed by the man, or if men, then he will be irritated by the female. So this is not good line. Next is, if a line from moon mount and going towards lifeline, if this is foreign money, foreign travel yoga, and if this line cuts the lifeline and going towards Venus mount, so this type of person will go foreign trip for his surgery, for his treatment. This is not, if this cuts, this is not good. If this is not cutting, so it's good, but if it cuts the lifeline and goes up to Venus mount, then it is not good. Next is, from lower moon mount, a line coming up to lifeline, or it cuts the lifeline. So lower moon mount, lines from lower moon mount to lifeline is not good. This type of person can be a smoker, drinker, or gambler. So this is not good line. So this is all about today. So we will discuss more in about lifeline in our next upcoming videos. And if you are taking benefits with my videos, so please like my videos, subscribe my channel, and comment if you have any comment. If you are interested for palmistry consulting, please send your detail on my WhatsApp number, or you can write on my description, my comment box. So my WhatsApp number is given in my description box. So it's all about today. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.